Welcome! Today we'll show you how you can use Downtime Schedules to pause devices with Ignite Wi-Fi Hub from Rogers. Let's go! Setting up Downtime Schedules to pause Wi-Fi access is easy. To get started, open the Ignite Wi-Fi Hub app or go to ignitewifi.rogers.com. Sign in with your MyRogers username and password. Now select People. Select the user you want to schedule downtime for and select the settings icon on the profile. For the downtime schedule option, select Create Schedule. You can now create different schedules for offline me time, family time, bedtime, and more. Just follow the prompts to choose the days and times when you want all the devices assigned to the profile to be automatically paused. Then, select Apply. This will prevent those devices from accessing the internet over your home network. Please note, this feature does not block internet access using cellular data such as LTE. That's it! Now you can enjoy the control of customizing online and offline time to suit your needs.